Hey everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspection. So this home has been recently updated. You can see the nice modern counters, countertop and such. So one of the things they do when they upgrade, we want to upgrade our GFCI outlets, and you can see they have installed GFCI outlets in more than one location. However, when we go to test it, we use our little tester here and it won't trip. So that means it's improperly wired. You can go in here to this one here and it's not working. So we want to make sure that this is addressed. So make sure for all your home inspection needs, you call First Class Home Inspection 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com, and we'll see you next time.